Breathe easy with what's next in lighting controls. nLight Air by Acuity Controls. Adding a lighting control network to a renovation project can be challenging, especially in old buildings. Running cables and wires can sometimes be very difficult or even impossible, causing delays and increased costs. The solution? Combining wireless technology and lighting control. nLight Air is a secure, high-performance wireless platform designed for integration into various lighting controls applications and is smart building ready. nLight Air is simple, easy to install, and aids in energy code compliance. With nLight Air-enabled fixtures, the occupancy and daylight sensor is integrated into the fixture for easy installation. The embedded smart sensor with integrated wireless communications simplifies installation since there is only one component to install in the ceiling, the fixture. The wireless battery-powered wall switches offer many configurations for a range of control and scene options to complement any space, and have a 10-year battery life. The fixtures easily pair with battery-powered wall switches using the CLAIRITY app. The intuitive mobile app works to pair the wireless controls, create zones, and modify sensor settings to optimize the room, and is available for free download on the most popular smartphone and tablet operating systems. In today's world, a secure wireless system is essential. nLight Air's 5-tier security architecture far exceeds other networks. These 5 tiers represent the lighting control industry's most comprehensive security architecture. nLight Air transforms buildings of the past into smart buildings of the future, with upgradable features like wayfinding, asset tracking, building automation, and harnesses the potential of the Internet of Things for apps in development and yet to be discovered. With a wide range of available fixtures with the embedded nLight Air smart sensors, you can be sure nLight Air will allow you to confidently and quickly finish the job with a simple, secure, and easy-to-install wireless lighting control solution. For more information, visit acuitybrands.com/nlightair.